guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix loading failed and install problem in Carx. So complete watching this video, not skip. Now let's start the video. If you are new on my channel, subscribe my channel. If you like my video, like must. So let's start. First of all, open Carx game. After some time, here you see failed, and when you click on it, game turn off. So again open it. I tell you two solutions, two tricks in this video. Again same problem. So now close this game and click on game and click app info and then storage, clear data, and then open again. Give all permissions. Oh, again same problem. So now close this game and delete it. Go to Chrome browser and search Mistricker. Click on this first website and then scroll down. Here is Carx APK. If you not find this article, so click on a search option and write here, and then open this article, scroll down, and then click on a download, and your media file download. Click on download anyway, and this file is download in your Android phone and your problem will be solved. I hope you like my video. If you not find this website link also given in description. Take care. Bye bye.